Welcome to Sikbaggers YouTube channel. I'm Steve, and today we're just going to be talking about a brand new product that Advanblack has just came out with. Now, if you know me and you've seen our channel before, you'll know that I do the Advanblack install videos over on the Advanblack YouTube channel. So today's Friday and I've been super swamped all week test fitting and putting on an inner fairing on this Road Glide back here. I didn't have a chance to do anything to the Softail or the Sportster or the Road Glide or the Street Glide. I've just strictly been working on this Road Glide the entire week. We had to do a lot of test fitting, and I actually shot an A to B install video on the inner fairing and the gauge cluster housing as well. But if you're looking for a color matched Road Glide inner fairing, this thing is sweet. We've been prototyping and test fitting this inner fairing and gauge cluster for the last couple of years, and now it is finally released over on the Advanblack website. But we've actually spent the entire week shooting the install video on this and making sure that everybody knows that you can do this at home. This isn't one of those parts that you need to take and have somebody put on. With just a couple of tools and a little bit of know-how, you can do this yourself at home. This is not as big as a deal as a lot of people think it is. Now, we've already done the Amber Whiskey project. We did the inner fairing on that a couple of weeks ago when we announced that we were releasing the inner fairing on Advanblack. And then we did this one this week. And I was just excited about the way that it fits and the way that it looks, and really drastically changes the way the bike looks, that I wanted to share it with you over here on the Sick Bagger channel. I generally keep the Advanblack and the Sick Bagger stuff separated, and today we're not doing an install video on the Sick Bagger channel because you can just go watch that one over on Advanblack, and we'll have that link down below so you can see it. Now, here in just a minute, I am going to pull the camera off there and we'll walk around and I'll show you the fitment on both of the bikes that we have here. But one thing I want to talk about real quick is the actual material that this stuff is made out of. So unlike the other companies that are on the market right now selling a color matched inner fairing, ours is not a third-party inner fairing just purchased and then painted and then sent to you. We actually make this, and if you can see in the clips right here, we had the Advanblack logo stamped to the inside of this is actually part of the mold. And the PA and PPE that we use in this inner fairing, as far as the material goes, is to add strength and durability to this inner fairing. So like I said, it's going to be the closest thing that you're going to get in an aftermarket inner fairing, and it also has a lot cleaner lines than the other ones. Trust me, I've installed some of the other ones and they are not great. They don't pair with the outer fairing real well. There's gaps and holes that I just didn't care for. We've actually taken the time and invested a lot in the R&D on this until we got it exactly the way that we wanted it. So it's going to be sold in a couple of different pieces. So you can get the inner fairing in the glove boxes, you can add on the additional cap up here to the top, or you can add on the gauge cluster as well. I don't think there's any other company out there that's actually doing a color matched gauge cluster with the inner fairing. So the material that we use in this and the actual time that we spend on the R&D and getting the fitment perfect is really going to separate the Advanblack ones from all of the other ones that are just basically purchased from a company and then painted and then sent to you. So big difference, and that really kind of gets me kind of excited. So we've done the Street Glide inner fairing for a long time now. I've had that one on the 14 Street Glide back there since I think 2015 or 16. But finally, to have a Road Glide inner fairing and have these lines and fitment as perfect as it is, like I said, I just want to show it to you over here on the Sick Bagger channel, and this is just going to be our video for the week. Like I said, because I've spent a lot of time on this, haven't had time to do anything else in here. So today is Friday. We're going to be wrapping up, cleaning everything up. We're going to get this bike out of here. We're going to get the Softail back up on the lift. So stay tuned next week, and we should have a Softail video for you next Sunday. So what I'm going to do now is just grab the camera, go over here and show you the inner fairing. So hopefully that little walk around there gave you a really good look at the way that the inner and the outer pair up and the color match and everything that Advanblack offers I always get excited when Advanblack comes out with a new product, especially when we've been working on it for so long and then it's finally released and then I get to show it to you. And it's usually me over on the Advanblack channel showing you an install video and not really giving you like a review on it. So I didn't really have a whole lot going on this week outside of changing out that interfering, other than letting the lift down on my tripod and busting my tripod, and my video light and everything broke. The camera, thank goodness, and the cordless microphone were salvaged out of that deal. So that was a pretty exciting day. So I had to finish shooting the video with a duct tape and zip tied up tripod and light. So that was exciting. Other than that, we didn't have really a whole lot going on. Everything's went really smooth. It's just very time consuming shooting an install video like that because there's so many little bitty steps. It's like I said, it's not hard to do. There's just a lot of little bitty steps, and I want to make sure that we have all of the proper information for you on the way to install it, but also the torque specs and all that good stuff. And I also want to say again, I really appreciate everybody that came down to Daytona to see us. It was really cool meeting a lot of you people that support the YouTube channel and also the Advanblack YouTube channel, and then also the guys from Zero for inviting us over and letting us hang out over there for a couple hours. Met some really cool people over at the Zero tent as well. So it's very cool for someone like me and my wife to be able to meet people that actually watch and support our YouTube channel. I always walk away from those events very humbled. I'm just a guy in a garage with a camera that likes to work on bikes, and I just happen to like showing everybody else how to do it too and save money. So it's very humbling for people to come up and tell me how much I've helped them or how much money I've saved them and how many videos they've watched, and it's crazy. It's hard for me to even wrap my head around. So I just wanted to say that I appreciate every single one of you. I know I say that in every video, but I mean it. I appreciate every single one of you. So if you have any questions or comments on these Road Glide interfairings about the fitment or the install or anything like that, make sure to watch the Advanblack video because that'll probably answer a ton of questions for you. But over here on the Sikbagger channel, I did want to run around and just kind of show you how they look on the bike. Super excited about the release. But if you want to get your hands on one of these, I'll put the link down below as well over to advanblack.com. It'll take you straight over to the website to the interfairings, and they also offer over 100 different colors as well. So go over there and check out to see if we do your color, and then pick out the parts that you want and get that stuff ordered. And like I said, it'll be shipped straight to your door, unbox it, go over it, and start installing it on your bike. It's that easy. So before I get out of here, make sure that you check out our channel. Every Sunday we do a video drop. We do have a lot more stuff for the Softail coming up, and I'm kind of working a deal for some new stuff for the Street Glide right now. So once we get that all panned out, we'll have a Street Glide install video, and that is pretty cool. I'm really looking forward to doing that. Not too much going on with the Road Glide, not too much going on with the Sportster just yet. It's just kind of setting there for right now. But make sure that you check out our channel. Like I said, I appreciate all of you. I'm going to get out of here and get back to work. I hope to see you in the next video. But until then, as always, be safe, keep your knees in the breeze. Thanks for checking out the video. Don't forget to hit that like and that subscribe popping up over here. And don't forget to check out the rest of the channel because we have a ton of bagger related and Softail videos on our channel. And to get you started, maybe you can check out this one or this one. I'm not really going to say anything else. You can just click one of those and take you over to another video.